warm welcome to all are presented here and those who are staying at home. It's my privilege to welcome you all. First of all, we thank before the Almighty who has given us this new day. It is the glorious day in the history of our freedom. Today we are celebrating 75 years of joyous moment of our freedom. I'm glad to invite our beloved principal, Sister Clara of Soviet English Higher Primary School, North Road, Bangalore, to hoist the national flag. On behalf of our lovely children and teachers, we welcome you, Sister.
Today, we are here to acknowledge our privilege of being born in India. We all are really proud to be an Indian. 15th August is not only about the freedom, it also reminds us the pain of being enslaved, the strength of unity, and it defines the sacrifice. It is our responsibility as citizens of a country to sincerely perform the duty and progress for the growth and development of a country. So, we should take an oath that we will always serve our motherland till our last breath. Once more, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Thank you. God bless you. Jai Hind.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Joshua Jonathan. Today's my topic is about the great freedom fighter Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh was born on 28 September 1907 in Banga, Pakistan. He was executed by hanging. On 23rd March and 23rd March 1931. Bhagat Singh said, if the deaf are to hear, the sound has to be very loud. Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
Good morning, everyone. Happy Independence Day. My name is Afan Sir. I am playing the role of Bhagat Singh. Inqilab Zindabad. Jai Hind.
Good morning, everyone. I am Rani Lakshmi Bai, one of the freedom fighter, most popular leader. One of the freedom fighter. Thank you. Good morning, everybody. My name is Belvin Richard. I am studying second standard. I am Dr. Ambedkar. I am India freedom fighter. My full name is Bhimarao Ramji Ambedkar. Is called Father of India. Is born April 14, 1891. Thank you. Bhagat Singh was born in 1970 in Punjab, India. Swagashi was a great freedom fighter. He was a great actor in college.
Good morning everyone. I am Jawaharlal Nehru. On 14th November 1889 in Allahabad, I am the first Prime Minister of India. Jai Hind. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Hi, I am Indira Gandhi, a first woman Prime Minister of India, a daughter of Jawaharlal Nehru and Kamala Nehru. Jai Hind.
Subhash Chandra Bose was a great Indian nationalist. People even today know him by love for his country. The true Indian man was born on 23rd January in 1897. He fought with bravery against the British rule. Subhash Chandra Bose was certainly a revolutionary freedom fighter. The participation of Subhash Chandra Bose took place with the civil disobedient movements. He also led in Indian national force from abroad against the Western powers during World War II. In 1938, he was elected President of the Indian National Congress and formed a National Planning Committee which formulated a policy of broad industrialization with Gandhian economic thought. Bose's most famous quote was, "Give me blood and I shall give you freedom." Subhash Chandra Bose was a strong believer in Bhagavad Gita. Subhash Chandra Bose is an unforgettable national hero. He had tremendous love for his country. The great personality sacrificed his whole life for his country. Thank you. Jai Hind.
God bless you. First of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. Yes, the great day. We celebrate the great event. Yes, August 15, 1947 was the great day of great rejoicing for us Indians. A new life, a new power and unforgettable day. In the history of India, after Independence Day, we got our fundamental rights to choose our government. In this special day, we have to remember our great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Jhansi Rani, Lakshmi Bai, etc. They sacrificed their life for us, so we have to celebrate with a great spirit. Our Indian freedom is priceless. We, the brave soldiers, fight continuously on borders to protect our country. It is our duty to work hard. As a soldier, I want to invite you all to contribute something for our nation. It is must and our country need lot of dedication of people. We voluntarily place ourselves at the service of others. It is best and the practical example. So let us be pledged today to do our best and make our country the best country in the world. Once again, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
Good morning, God bless you. I am Diksha. Today I am going to talk about Kittur Rani Chennamma. Chennamma was the queen of Kittur in Karnataka. Chennamma was born in Bengal at 1777 on October 23rd. Chennamma was the first woman freedom fighter for Indian independence. Chennamma married Raj Malagara Desai at the age of 14. She learned to try horse, sword fighting and archery in her childhood at the age of 14. After her husband and son only died. Kappa beka kappa, nimge eke kodabeku kappa. ಮೋಡ ಮಳೆ ಸುರಿಸುತ್ತದೆ, ಭೂಮಿ ಬೆಳೆ ಬೆಳೆಸುತ್ತದೆ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏಕೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಕಪ್ಪ? ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ ಬಂಧುನ ಬಳಗಾನ ಏಕೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಕಪ್ಪ? ಹಸಿರು ಮೂತಿಯ ಕಡೆ ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತೊಲಗಿ ಹೋಗಿ. Thank you. God bless you.
Good morning, God bless you. My name is Jacob Anthony. I am going to say about APJ Abdul Kalam. Abul Pakr Jainullabuddin Abdul Kalam was an Indian Air Force scientist who served as 11th President of India from 2002 to 2007. He was born and raised in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu, and studied physics and aerospace engineer. He is the father of missile technology in India. People describe him as a 200%. His slogan is, "Do things yourself, do not indulge in shortcut by importing equipment." Thank you, God bless you.
I am Lal Rajput Roy, an Indian independence activist. I played an important role in Indian independence movement and people call me Punjab Kesari. I was the chief architect of the Swadeshi movement. Even before Gandhi and Nehru. I stressed self-reliance for Indians in the section of the National Congress along with Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Deep Chandra Pal and others. I fought for freedom and I declare that the blows struck at me today will be the last nail of the coffin of British rule in India. Jai Hind.
Good morning, respected principal and teachers. I am Madhavan, studying 7th standard in Soviet English at primary school. Today, I am here to speak a few words about India's great freedom fighter, Martyr Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh was a revolutionary freedom fighter of the Indian independence movement. He was born on 28 September 1907 in Punjab. His father's name was Kishan Singh, who was a freedom fighter, and mother named Vidyavati. His family was involved in India's freedom struggle, inspired by the family atmosphere. Bhagat Singh also joined the freedom struggle at the age of 13. Bhagat Singh founded Naujawan Bharat Sabha in year 1926 with an aim to get rid of British rule in India. He popularized the slogan Inqilab Zindabad, Inqilab Zindabad, which means long live the revolution. He and his associates killed the British police officer John Saunders in year 1927. In the year 1929, Bhagat Singh threw bombs in the Central Assembly Delhi. He was arrested by British Forest Act. He was hanged by British on 23rd March 1931 along with Rajguru and Sukhdev. He was only 23 years old when he was executed. At such a young age, he was smiling just before being hanged to death. Bhagat Singh was a true patriot. Old nations still remember him as Shahid Bhagat Singh. With this, I end my speech. Thank you.
Good morning. I am Smith. I am going to talk about Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. It is not enough to have just a political independent India nation where our citizen will have religious and political rights so that every person will have equal opportunity to develop. Thank you. Happy Independence.
Good morning to all, dear children, teachers and parents. First of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. Today, I would like to say a few words about Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day every year on 15th August. We should remember our great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose and many more. Our India is a unique country. Our ancestors have suffered the cruel behavior of Britishers for many years. So many great leaders had sacrificed their life for India independence. Due to their constant efforts, finally, our nation got independence. Because of them, we are greeting each other. But I will be more happy if I could greet you all for another independence from coronavirus. Yes, today our India is surrounded by lots of problems like coronavirus, violence, moral issues, etc. Not only India, but whole world fighting against this virus. Coronavirus has become crisis for human life. Our brave soldiers are fighting on the borders to save us, to protect our nation from anti-national elements by sacrificing their lives. In 1947, we got independence because of freedom fighters. But now, in this struggle of independence from coronavirus, doctors, police officers, social workers, etc., they are our freedom warriors. We should stand united and follow all the rules and instructions made by the government to overcome this pandemic situation. At last, I would like to conclude that have pride in your heart who are the soldiers, freedom fighters and the corona warriors. Let us together salute our nation on this Independence Day. Be safe, be healthy. Thank you all.
on this occasion of 75 years of Platinum Jubilee of our Independence Day, I wish each one of you a happy Independence Day. In spite of the Corona-19, in this situation, our leader, our principal, a dynamic and young, has planned and executed this program very well, along with all the teachers. And I am very thankful for all the participation. They have come forward to make this program a meaningful and successful. On behalf of the management and my own behalf, I thank each one of you. God bless you. Have a good Independence Day. Thank you. Jai Hind.